Okay. Good morning, all of you. Welcome back to DevSecOps plus AWS training. So let me share my screen. Uh, excuse me. Can you stop this? Okay. The topic is high availability, guys. High availability. So anyone joined today? You? So 6 members. Okay. So what about online? Anyone has joined today online from online? Don't raise your hands. Please update in the chart. It's very difficult to see the. Okay. 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 Okay, guys. So Ganesh, Saumya, Rakshita, Imran, Ranjit, Pravalika, Sagar. Anyway, Lakshmi. Many people has joined, right? So we can do one thing, guys. Whoever joined today. So we are, yes, Pravalika. Whoever miss or joined today, we have a recording options. We are going to send the recordings for last 4 classes. So please go through that recordings first. Okay. Dedicatedly at least 2 days. Then whatever the next class is, you just update me. If you're okay means no problem. Otherwise, I'm going to take 1-2 extra classes for you. Okay. The extra classes is on weekends. Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to take the last 4 classes, whatever classes you miss that classes. Okay. I'm going to take dedicatedly. Whatever you miss, I'm going to cover everything. Meanwhile, just go through the recordings. Okay. This option I can give you. The reason is we haven't entered any core concepts so far. Just we are discussing what is DevOps. Okay. What is cloud? Classes are from Monday to Friday only. Yes, Sandeep. Monday to Friday. If any topic, if you are going to discuss at that time, we'll think Saturday regarding Saturday. Sunday, absolutely no classes. Okay. Even institute also close Sunday. Okay, just give your time for 5 minutes. I'm going to explain something. Whoever joined today. The reason is they don't know the process of it will work, right? Again, you have to be patient for demo classes. Okay. If you are entering to the actual classes, I'm not going to repeat so many stories, right? Again, this is the lecture. So this is the concept. Course time. So this time only. Morning 9 to 10:30. Okay. Yeah. So please concentrate whoever joined today. So this training is the duration is 3 to 3.5 months. Okay. 3 to 3.5 months. And this course is AWS plus DevSecOps, not AWS DevOps. There is a complete difference, guys. So AWS plus DevOps is nothing but we are going to learn AWS services first. These are prerequisites for DevOps course. And we are going to learn configurations of few servers, Linux, and then start to DevOps course, DevSecOps course. So in this first prerequisites, it is going to take 1 month time. So we are going to enter actual DevOps is after 1 month. Okay, so complete course is plus 3.5 months or 3 months, AWS plus DevSecOps. Without AWS, it's very difficult to understand DevOps first. And even there is no role directly DevOps role in the market at this time. AWS is a mandatory skill along the DevOps or any cloud. I'm not saying only AWS, but compared to all clouds, AWS boom is good now. Okay, this is point number 1. And complete regarding support, lab support. The 3.5 months is including theory plus labs only. Sir, labs separately though. This is the class I'm going to demonstrate labs and everything. Next, we have a dedicated mentor system. Naresh is going to provide you. The mentor system, how it will work. Morning to evening, mentors are there in the 3rd floor. You can come with your laptops. If you are having any doubts, sit with them, complete your tasks. Sir, what about online team? For online team also, we are going to send a links on daily basis. You can join with that link. If you have any doubts, you can clear. Meanwhile, I'm going to create a one Telegram group for everyone. So we can share our doubts in the group. I'm going to clear our doubts. Still, no, sir. Still, I'm having a doubts. I missed last 1 week classes. So how to rectify my issues? Then come to Institute, sit with mentors, complete your tasks. Online team also, you can join with them in the online. You can clear your doubts. Even I'm going to take care everything. If I miss, you can use this opportunity also free of cost. Is this clear? So sharing the content, we have a 3 platforms here to sharing the content. The first platform is Telegram group. So if you can see in the Telegram group, everything we are going to do. This is the project I have assigned the current DevOps course about to already completed. So I have given this project. So like these projects, we are going to do more than 6 or 7, not only one project. So whatever tools we are going to learn, Terraform, Jenkins, Argo CD, Container, Privy, Node, SonarQube, Docker Hub, Kubernetes. By involving all tools, we are doing multiple projects. This project just yesterday I have assigned and I have made up the document also. See guys, by seeing this document, you can easily do the tasks. Screenshots also I have mentioned what you need to do step 1, step 2, step 3. So guys, this architecture, I made it and I have sent to everyone. So they are already done the project. They are shared already some output of the project also. Like that, we are going to do so many projects. See, application will change, guys, but process is same. This is Node.js application. You can take from any Google and sample application. So application source code is not in our cup of tea, right? Source code is developers point of developers has to take care. You can take any code from anywhere, Google, anywhere. You can take Hotstar, you can take Instagram clone, you can take Facebook clone. You can just upload into your GitHub, start your process. Okay, start your process. So we can do like this project, so many projects. I'm going to show you one template, how to do the projects. If it is a Java project, if it is a Node.js project, I'm going to show you 1, 2, 3 projects. Remaining projects, you can easily handle it. This is not only one project. If you can see, I have given so many projects to my team. If you can see, these are my responses. Every day, I'm not going to pending any messages in my bucket. Okay. So like that, I can give my support. And this is 7:30 AM batch. So every day we are all interacting with that. If they are facing any issues, we are going to see. This batch started, I think, this is January, right? Sorry, February, right? This batch started December 29th, I think so. It's been 1 month. Still, we are not entering to the DevOps. The reason is we have covered AWS content and Linux. Today is the last class for the Linux. So we have done Linux also today. So tomorrow we are going to enter GitHub. Okay. So in your point of view also, it will take 1 month time to first fulfill your prerequisites for DevOps course. If you are non-ITs, career gap, okay, this 1 month definitely help you to come up with the speed to understand DevOps content. See guys, now in this time, after 1 month, you can, in this page, everyone is same. After 1 month, in my point of view, everyone is same. No non-ITs, no ITs, no career gap. The 1 month, whatever I'm going to take, the 1 month, it is help you to guys to understand all are coming to the same page. It at this time I can understand. At this time, maybe non-ITs are understanding is very difficult. Career gap is understanding very difficult. But after 1 month, I will ask you one question to everyone. Okay. Definitely at that time, I mean, March 1st, I think so, or March 1st week. I need response from you. You are in same page. No non-ITs, no career gaps, no ITs, no sounds. All are same to me. This 1 month dedicatedly invest your time with me. 1.5 hours. Sir, I have some pain. I have some important work. See, upfront, please tell me that. Without miss even one class, I can't do anything. 3.5 months, I need dedication. No, sir. I'm very busy with office timing, so I can handle or not. If you have any doubts, please drop from this training. Even 50 members, 30 members also I'm fine. Okay. This is bold statement I'm giving you. Dedication is required. DevOps is not easy. Many people are saying maybe easy. This is not at all easy. In my point of view, it's not easy. If you are do hard work for 3.5 months, after 3.5 months, I can ask you, DevOps is easy or not. I will hear definitely from anyone, DevOps is easy with this 3.5 months. Is it clear? Okay, anyway, this is for interaction, guys. This is for interaction. So we can, we can do everything. So this is the pipeline, what they students, they implemented. No, this is the Jenkins pipeline. So cloning, security analysis, quality gates, build, tree scanner, push into ECR, deploy into K8s and notification. This type of projects we have done so many. If you can come to my GitHub. So here I'm going to share with you guys everything. So these are the projects: Hotstar, DevOps, Terraform, Swiggy DevOps project, Maven Jenkins project. These are all projects. And coming to the regular content, it will start from here. Everything, the first top 10 is projects. So if you can see here, DevOps Ansible, DevOps Kubernetes, DevOps Git, DevOps Terraform, DevOps Docker. These are all for regular content what we are going to update into the GitHub. So DevOps Terraform, if I take an example, DevOps Terraform. So we are going to spend 15 days time on Terraform. The reason is very, very important tool. Sir, it's very difficult to handle all tools, in my opinion. So can I get a job? Yes. If you are knowledging on first 45 days AWS and Linux plus Terraform, you can go into the market. AWS plus Terraform. There may be a chance to get a job directly on Terraform and AWS directly. No need to learn Kubernetes, Docker, something. At least I'm giving some information to you. As a time, I'm not saying that. I'm not supposed to say that, yes, this is possible, but I'm saying the possibilities are there. Many students already crack like that only. Even if you learn Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, it will very, very helpful to get a job in very short time. Okay. Yeah. So this is my PPT. What I have shown first 3 days, guys. This is a process what we implemented in the project. We have followed all the continuous integration, delivery, deployment, testing, and operations. And if you can see here, we are going to discuss one project by using Terraform, end-to-end project by using all the files of the Terraform. After that, we can move monolithic deployment project one. When I say monolithic, I think you guys are know, right? Directly hosting on Linux EC2 instance. Right? Previous class, I think we have discussed, right? And we will implement Docker in the same infrastructure. I mean, microservice, how we can save that space and, how we can give the maintain the application, different containers, we can give it. So this is like we are just involving all the tools, importing tools in that market. This is the one more project. So what you need to understand, sir, only one project. See guys, if you understand this project now, you can do many projects. You know configuration of Jenkins, you know configuration of Maven, you know configuration Sonar, Scanner, Argo CD, Kubernetes. If different application will come, definitely you need to host this deployment, right? Different application in place of Kubernetes, we are not hosting any other things, right? Same thing you can handle. I'm going to give you projects. You have to do it. That's it only. After showing this template. So my team, it's been already the course already completed. I think it's been 10 days, even though I'm going to share projects to them to do some identification, understanding of the how different application, how the life cycle will work. To understand it, I'm going to share everything to them. In your case also, I'm going to add maybe 10 projects at the time, 15 projects. You are to be ready with that to do it. So these are the Terraform repository I'm going to add on daily basis, files, how to install it, the process and everything, overview, and see how to do it Terraform. These are the just 15 days I'm going to take care. Just for sample repository, I'm showing that. Not only DevOps Terraform, if you can see and come into the Kubernetes, Ansible. So like that, we are maintaining the scripts into that repository. And yes, these are the Kubernetes structure. So all the deployment horizontal. See, once again, I'm saying guys, if we have a 15 tools, right, we have to focus major tools first. When I say major tools, if you can see, if you can see in that project, in the present, cycle, the Kubernetes, Docker, Jenkins, Terraform. These 4 is mandatory tools. Okay. If you are become a DevOps engineer, these 4 is mandatory tools plus cloud. So our focus definitely more in these tools. That's what I'm not leaving even small topic from the EKS. I mean Kubernetes. Okay, same like the Ansible also. Okay, so Ansible also we have done all those things. So I'm not going to use this repository for you. I'm going to start again new repository. Start from the 0. Okay, this is just what we have implemented in the last batch. For your reference, I'm showing you. Okay, apart from that, we have a class work drive to sharing the materials. Sir, I need material to clear one certification. So definitely at that time, every day class notes I'm going to provide you. So if you can see 7:30 a.m. batch. So if I discuss something today, I have edited yesterday, right? Yesterday, I have sent to that everyone. This is Linux user management, how to create something. Okay, Linux done. So yesterday I have sent these nodes into that class drive. This is running nodes. And also we have one more class work. Here I have shared the materials. For example, ELB auto scaling, DevOps introduction. So if you can see here, auto scaling PPTs, ELB we have made and shared to them. So if you can go class work, how to, yes, please come. If you can see this here, okay, Docker running nodes. See whatever the commands we are going to learn, everything we are going to update here. Okay, paint plus notes. I mean, notes, and also if you can see document. I'm going to share this documents also, each tool. Okay, each tool. This is the strategy of the training. If you have any questions now, you can ask for 2 minutes, then we need to jump to topic. Okay. Okay, there is a big question. Good morning, sir. I'm from BJC background. I don't know seriously. geology, botany, chemistry, but I like to join in DevOps course after my completion. So any degree is eligible, guys. First of all, any degree. If it is a degree, definitely we are eligible. Okay, any degree is eligible. It's very difficult to read this thing. Okay, share link Nagavuma. I think you are my present DevOps taking training, right? Nagavuma. I don't know if I forget. What is purpose of Ansible? Is this course for full stack Java student? Means you already taken training from the full stack, or you are a full stack student, you are learning DevOps also. I need to understand first. If you know a full stack already, if you are joining to learn DevOps, it's very, very, very advantage to you. No, I'm currently working not Clarinet. That is I'm not updated my LinkedIn. Okay. Today only I joined. Did I miss anything so far? You miss 4 classes. We are going to share the content into that recordings. Sir, is there any other slot that you teaching evening section? No, guys, evening is not possible. I'm employee. So, you know, the traffic of evening in the Hyderabad, right? Already I used to give trainings in evening only, but face lot of challenges. 1 hour, 2 hour, I get stuck in traffics. The batch got cancelled. So that's what I just moved to morning sessions only. No evening sessions. And weekend sessions I'm going to start, guys. Weekend sessions is going to start AWS first. When we are doing our first project. Guys, what is this, guys? Guys, Vital. First, we need to purchase land, right? Right or not? We need to recruit so many manpower. Then we need to start for the project. Okay. I can understand your all questions. The one answer is for everyone. You are eligible. You are eligible if you are having any career gap. You are eligible if you are from non-IT. Yes, you are eligible even though, yes, if you are eligible, even though if you are trying to switch your one platform to other platform in IT career. Is this clear? Yes. Yes, you can sit. When weekend classes are going to, I don't know that there is some background process is going. I think it will take 1-2 months. Anyway, I think there is no challenge morning 9 a.m. right? Everyone can wake up at night before 9 a.m. right? Even my previous batch 7:30 a.m. guys. You sleep at 3:30. Who told you to sleep at 3:30 a.m. guys? Learning na? Huh? Working na? Okay. Work for 3 months only. After that, you can understand the result. No need to say. Your life will completely change after 3 months if you are doing hard work. No need to say. How your life will change, you can say after 4 months, 5 months if you are placed in any company. The value of the DevOps package and something, okay? Okay. Is that possible? Any batch will start? No. My manager will not give permission to take 9, 11 a.m. classes. Do you provide certification? Yes, we are going to provide a certification. Hey guys, certification means Terraform certifications and civil not like that. You are taking training from Naresh IT. We are providing Naresh IT certification. Don't think so. I'm not authorized person to issue Terraform certifications from the providers. Okay. Shravan, at the end of the class, could you unmute so that we can ask questions more clearly? Okay. Okay, I will enable it. Okay, after that, you are going to say, sir, please unmute all, sir. It's very difficult to understand, sir. Please don't enable, sir. That's whatever mute. Okay, you are saying that. What is your question? Full stack is not comes under DevOps. Full stack is comes under developers. Okay, clear? Full stack, off stack, the stacks are not in DevOps, guys. I will tell you the coming classes what is full stack. Even we are going to handle the applications, full stack applications, Node.js applications, Java applications, Python applications. So see, this is last question I'm going to answer, guys. We need to jump on the topic. Future of DevOps is safe. Guys, one more time I'm saying DevOps is not a tool. First of all, DevOps is a software. It's a combination of tools. New tools is coming to the market, but Those we need to configure by using DevOps Lifecycle only. Clear or not? Sir, I don't learn. You don't learn. No problem. Sunil, you don't learn any language. I will take care of that. Just understand English language. I have to take care of that. Okay? Okay. Shall we start now? Python scripting. No, no, not required. Okay. See, many people are saying yes, yes, yes. So I need to start now. Waiting, huh? Okay. Okay. I think 4 Congress party leaders are here. Raise the hand. Please down your hand. So I need to jump onto content. Guys, what is high availability? So please, don't ask any questions. I'm not going to check your questions. Please understand the concept is a very, very important concept. This is useful for anyone. This today class is useful for anyone, not only DevOps, not only developers, testers, engineers, doctors, everyone. Okay. Okay. So what is high availability? This is my question first. What is high availability? Available in any time, right? See, we can shop anytime, right? By using e-commerce website. We can send money anytime, right? If there is any restrictions, definitely that whatever e-commerce website is not going to popular. This website, we are going to allow you to shop only morning 9 to afternoon 3. Is it good to customers to shop? That time maybe you're employee, you're in office. So 24/7. See, I can write here. First term is 24/7. Availability, right? I mean, okay, into 365, 366, you can add it in that. So if I open any e-commerce website, first of all, or anything, banking, something, Flipkart or whatever. Okay, I can shop anytime. I can book tickets anytime. The reason the backend developers, DevOps team, testers already working, right? Indirectly. What we need to understand. Now at this time, we are not a customers. We are a development team of Flipkart. We need to understand it now. Okay. You are not a customer to shop the travel. You are a backend supporter of the Flipkart application. I'm the customer. You guys are all developers, DevOps, testers of the Flipkart, the background. Is it clear, everyone now? So in the previous class, what we discussed, I'm the client, for example, here is my laptop. Here is my laptop. I have opened Flipkart now. Okay, Flipkart. So the request will go to where, guys? Flipkart server or Amazon server? Flipkart server only. How can you say that? So every server, there is a unique identifier, that is a IP. So this server, I have a one IP. Okay, let me draw here one server, guys. Guys, I'm not going to explain again the server components. You need to understand now, right? So whoever joined today, please try to understand today concept. There is no prerequisite required for this class. Even though, please go through the last 4 sessions. Those are very, very important sessions. So after that, again, see this video. You will get 100% clarity. Even though I'm going to take care of one weekend class for last 4 classes in 2 classes. Okay, 2 days. So one server I have created, guys. You know, the server contains operating system, a server contains hardware. Is it VM or physical server? We can discuss later. This is one server only. It's a cloud providing server or on-premise server. We can discuss later. One server, there is a IP. The IP is 192.168. Something. We are using IPv4 bit. So this is my Flipkart. But I'm not using this IPNS or how the request is going. The backend one DNS concept is there, guys. The DNS concept is there. The DNS is mapping your Flipkart name to 192.168.1.2. Is this clear? Okay, this is 1168. Anyway, is this clear? So whenever you are hitting Flipkart name, I mean flipkart.com, the request is go to DNS. DNS already, this request to send this IP already configure, the request is going to this server. Is this clear, everyone? If I change IP here, the request may go to next server or other server, whatever server. Is it clear, everyone? Sample example, guys. You are using mobiles, right? If you want to make a call to your friend, no need to type number, right? You are already registered your friend number with your friend name, right or not? Otherwise, if there is no contacts option, you need to type every time friend number. How difficult you need to remember first. So how difficult to remember IP up to server to customer to hit? Difficult, right? That's what DNS coming to the picture. No. You can type only Flipkart. We are using Flipkart application. You can give your the firm name. The backend already I have configured IP. Otherwise, users has to access IPs. In that case, everyone should remember IPs of the all websites. SBI net banking. If you click SBI net banking, the request will go to SBI server. How? The backend DNS is configured server IP. Otherwise, you need to type 192 something IP of the SBI internet banking. You have to go with that. Is this clear, everyone? Okay. My question is to everyone here. My Flipkart. So I'm the customer. You guys are the developers. I mean, when I say developer, maybe application developers, DevOps developer, or testing developer, whatever it is. We are the team of the backend Flipkart. So, for example, I'm the one person as a customer, I'm accessing the application, I'm getting the response to this, to my Flipkart, I'm able to shop. In this case, I'm the only one user, so I don't have any issues to, I can easily access. But in the real time, how many people can access this Flipkart? Give any number? Once here is possibility, right? Definitely possibility. It's a worldwide website. Okay, maybe 1,000. Guys, tell me one thing. 1,000 request means 1,000 laptops. You can understand. The requests are going from here. The requests are going from here, other laptops. 1,000 clients are going to access. This server will give response for 1,000 people. Okay, maybe response will give. If the number is going to increase 1 lakh, this server is fine. Definitely, every server there is a configurations. Okay, there is a parameters. So if you can see, as we discussed in the last classes, what are the dependency parameters of the servers? RAM, operating system, RAM, hard disk. So these are our hardware. Your hardware depends on number of requests, as we know. In the mobile also we cannot use 100 applications in one time. The reason is your RAM already occupied with other applications. First clear that applications, then you can open the new application. Same thing. Here each access means each request. We can't say these guys only go and access only flight tickets booking. Maybe they can shop, they can do other tasks, they can do other activity. So each and every request, the backend, your hardware will give some response through operating system. The response will go to your Flipkart customer. I'm the customer. Now you tell me, guys, here is the point is there. When I say high availability, if I use one server, I don't know how many are going to access this website. Can I say this is high availability network? This is high availability, yes, to if the requests are getting only 1,000. If 1,000 one is coming, I don't know this configuration, the server RAM hardware will support 1,000 requests only. What is this conditions, boss, again? No, it should accessible for anywhere, anytime, anyone. Then only you can say high availability, right or not? If you are saying conditions, definitely it's a condition based high availability. We can't compromise condition based high availability, right? Definitely. Is there any conditions on the Flipkart, guys? Is there any conditions? You can access morning, you can access afternoon, you can access. There are no conditions, right? You can access anytime. If you have a Flipkart account, you can access anytime. Then I can say this is high availability. Clear? The same thing. Now you tell me. So, how can I overcome this issue? How can I overcome this issue? My requests are increasing, but only one server. So what I need to do first? We need to increase servers. Okay. I'm not saying cloud or on-prem, whatever it is. We need to increase one more server. Now the question is here to everyone. What is this IP? Okay. Before that, what is this application? Flipkart, right? You have increased one more server to give high availability, right or not? So this server is inside which application? Flipkart only, not Amazon, guys. I'm talking about Flipkart. Okay. Now you tell me, guys, how to give access to Flipkart server, this server to customers. Why load balancer? My question is how the traffic is, diverting here to here. My question is how the customers is going to access second server. Okay. My hint is Flipkart.com redirecting to which server, guys? How can you say first server? My IP is mapped here for first server only. Is it clear, everyone? Guys, don't think much. I will take care of everything. I know you have a little knowledge, but be patient, huh? Okay. The Flipkart is mapped here first server only. But if you type flipkart.com, always this request will go to first server only. Why? You have given mapping of your IP of flipkart.com. Now here one more server is you have created. Now the question is, same IP will come, different IP will come. Same IP will come, na? Very good, guys. If it is a same IP, how can I say it's a unique identifier of each server? Guys, is it possible to see same application working for the same server IPs? Is it possible? Okay. Okay. You are using one mobile. Is it possible to use same number others also? Others, even you and me also using same number. Is it possible? Other number is unique identifier means what? It will not repeat anyone. The same thing IP also will generate for each server, right? If you are changing one more IP means, sorry, one more server means different IP. Network will provide different IP. In the VM, yesterday we have discussed, VM will get each VM one IP, right or not? Okay, here we are very clear. This IP is different, but application is same. Application is same. Now flipkart.com always redirecting to only this server or both? This is my question. Let me check online messages. IP is unique. See, online team, my question is, don't think port, VPNs, something. Start from scratch. Leave for everything to me. Your VPNs, okay? Whatever, everything. Think it from the ground level. Come from the ground level. Okay. This question, my Flipkart is going to redirect first server or second server or both. Only question. You need to give answer first or second or both. 3 answers also giving. Which answer is the correct? First both, first both. Guys, Flipkart.com target is what? This is server only. So it will redirect here. Did I configure this IP in the Flipkart.com? No. Then how the request is sent to both? Always one. Next question. Flipkart.com 192.168.1.3. Now I configure 2 IPs. Now both are 1 or 2 again. Now both, right? So again answer is wrong. The reason is we should not, it is not possible to create one DNS name, multiple IPs. This point is very important, guys, to understand. If you are trying to create, I will show you in the labs. If you are trying to create flipkart.com with this IP, you will get one error. The name already created. The record already created. Change with different record. So what I can do in this case, I can change flipkart2.com to 192.168.1.3. Is it possible now, right? Name is different, right? Flipkart already registered for one record. That's what I'm using flipkart2.com for different user. So again, two servers are fine? No. Sir, third servers I need. Requests are increasing. Your website is more popular. Again, different IP, right? Different IP. 192.168.1.4. Now, can I add this record into flipkart2.com? Again, not possible. This record already stored with the different IP. Try with different record. So, Flipkart, some 3 or A something .com to 192.168.1.4. Is it clear, everyone? So, whoever accessing flipkart3.com, the request will go to third server. But is this good practice, guys? I mean, we need only one domain name. It has to be accessible different servers, right or not? Otherwise, guys, if I'm unable to access flipkart.com here, what I need to do? Flipkart2 I need to try. Maybe my Flipkart1 server busy, so I need to check Flipkart2. Maybe Flipkart2 also page not found. Okay, my two servers are busy. Customer is thinking, I'm the customer, right? Okay, Flipkart1, Flipkart2 may be busy. I can try Flipkart3. Why? Flipkart3 is configured third server. Right or not? Three servers are so busy. Flipkart4.com. Is it good practice? Not at all good practice. As a customer, how do you know how many servers are there you are creating? How do you know 4, 5, 6 till what level I need to increase the domain name? Flipkart 1 lakh.com, is it good, right? Not good, right? Then how I can implement this solution now? Online team. Now question. Now I'm expecting answers from you. Ground level clear, right? Don't directly jump to auto scalings, load balancer, something. First, why we are moving to the next level? We need to understand first. Tell me, guys. Docker engine, gateways. First server will redirect to different server. First server fail, boss. How second server will come? First server fail means second server, how it will redirect? At that case, it is not work out. Gaurav. Next. Interesting answers. Next. Any other answers from anyone? Attach servers to whom? To whom? Client? Yes, Ajay Sharma is the right ELB. Virtualization. See, guys, virtualizations, physical server, cloud server, all are same servers, right? First of all, I'm taking an example is a server only. Maybe it is a virtual server. Maybe it is a physical server. Maybe it is a cloud server. We need to increase the server. Whatever servers are, IPs are different. Clear or not? IPs are different. Domain names are different. Domain names are different. Clients has to access different domain names. If first is not working, it is not a good practice, right? Then how can I implement? Leave it for DNS. Nagoma, no, just leave it for DNS only. At this time, I'm not explaining any DNS. Just understand what is DNS is mapping your domain name to your IP. That's it. Okay. DNS is nothing but mapping your domain name to IP. That's it only. So if your IPs are changing, different IPs means we should not create same domain name with the different IPs. Records will not allow. Records, each record, each IP only. Clear? If it is a accept means, definitely I can give the list of IPs. So I can give, if it is accepting means my Flipkart record, I can give list of IPs, right? 192, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it is 1,000 servers, I can give 1,000 list of servers. But it is not accepting. Each IP, Each mobile name, each name you can configure, right? Same thing. If you are configure, it will ask overwrite, right or not? Same thing. It will not acceptable. Okay. So definitely we need some help. Create 3 different VMs and launch Flipkart. Who launched Flipkart? Who launched Flipkart? Then link IPs with domain name. That's what again you are coming here only, right? Link IPs with the domain name. Again you are coming here only, right? Again IPs domain name. Okay. You will get clarity now. Data science. Oh my God. Okay. Leave it. I'm going to explain. Guys, one more paint. One more paint. Here we need to understand. See this, guys. Inside you have a multiple servers. These servers may be VMs. These servers may be physical servers. These servers may be cloud servers. We know different IPs, right? So this IP is 192.168.1.2. Control C. Okay. Okay. So now clients, number of clients means number of laptops, number of mobiles are going to access my flipkart.com. Agreed or not? Flipkart.com. So they are going to access my flipkart.com. So as we know in this slide, so if servers are increased, definitely we need to configure flipkart.com one with the different IP, different record. So how I can implement this, that whatever the things we are facing here, we are using load balancer, guys. We are using load balancer. We are configure, sir, how to configure load balance. This is not a right time to discuss. We need to understand high availability concept only that we can take care. So, okay. So inside Flipkart, here also Flipkart, right? Here also Flipkart. Here DNS. DNS, let me write again. DNS is nothing but DNS. What is DNS, guys? It will convert request or redirect request IP to name or name to IP or name to name also. Okay. So DNS will convert like your contacts in your mobile. Sir, what is DNS? How it will work? We can see later. That's not a case here. Now, the very good point we need to understand here. My clients are accessing here directly load balancer URL only. Is it clear now? Load balancer URL only. Load balancer URL only. So here my load balancer URL looks like TLB URL or AP south1.com. For example, this is your ELB URL. You are saying, sir, give directly ELB URL to customers. Whenever customers are going to access load balancer, the load balancer takes the request and send to different application, same application, different servers. Here we need to understand, we are indirectly improving the security of the server, right or not? How can I say? You are not directly exposed to customers, right? Your EC2s are not directly exposed to customers. Only ELB is exposed to outside. So ELB is a proxy here. What is ELB? Elastic load balancer. Otherwise, you just understand load balance. On-premise also load balancer is there. So no, you are saying, sir, we can directly hit load balancer. The rest, everything is taken care by load balancer. If the 3 servers are there, na, it will send traffic to 3 servers to balance the load. Sir, what is load balancer first of all? Just I'm writing load balancer. What is load balancer? Anyway, we are going to learn in very deeper these topics just for understanding only high availability concept. This concept is related to Kubernetes. Yesterday, we done till Docker. So pending is Kubernetes high level understanding, right? This is interlinked to Kubernetes. Okay, anyway. So load balance is nothing but what? It is redirecting to where? Okay, takes the request, otherwise takes the requests from the clients. Okay, these are the clients, and redirecting into servers. Agree now? Okay. Sir, what is the use of DNS name then? What is the use of DNS here? Boss, if I give ELB URL to here, what is the use of DNS here? What is the statement of DNS? It will convert request IP to name, name to name, name to IP, right? So you are accessing flipkart.com, right? But the request is going to where? Flipkart DNS first, then load balance. Right or not? Otherwise, what I need to search? Flipkart ELB url.apsouth1.com. But is it good way to give directly ELB URL to clients? No, this is not a good URL. It's a nasty URL, right? If I give the URL directly to the customers, is there any Flipkart here in the URL? How do I know it's a Flipkart website, first of all? So we need to change it into your domain name. What is the domain name here? Flipkart.com. To now in this case, what? Target is what here? Again, IP address now. If it is IP address, you need to maintain flipkart1.com, 2.com, 3.com, right? Very good. Here target is load balancer URL. Now clear? Now clear everyone? If I hit my DNS service first, it is redirecting into ELB URL. Your ELB is redirecting into your application. Clear everyone? Is there any dependencies of server IPs? No, right? We are not directly hitting server IPs. We are hitting only ELBs, load balancers. So in your case, in this case, if I'm hitting flipkart.com means the request is not directly go to server. It is go to load balancer first. Load balancer allows you request to which server is healthy. Is it clear now again? So load balance is not only sending traffic to clients to server, it is also monitoring, right? Without monitoring, how load balancer knows to send traffic only healthy server? Is it clear everyone now? So my ELB, sir, how it is monitoring? That we'll discuss in the very low level class. So my ELB is taking care. First point is redirecting request. Not only redirecting request, to server, it will send healthy server only. It will send healthy server means your ELB is monitoring, right? ELB, load balancer, both are same. If it is a cloud, we are calling ELB. If it is on-premises, LB, only LB. Cloud elastic load balancer, on-premises only load balancer. Okay. Okay. Load balancer. Now monitoring also, right? No monitoring. Good question. What if LB fail? Hmm? ELB is not a server to fail. ELB is a service. Is it clear now? Is it possible to hack remote, TV remote? Is there any IP? Is there any access from outside? Is there any OS is running inside? No, right? Possibilities are there to hack my mobile. Why? I'm connecting by using my public IPs to server grid. In this case, my load balancer is not a server to fail, to hack, to do something, right? It's a service. Is it clear, everyone? Even though maybe you are saying there may be a chances, whatever reasons, that's what we are moving to cloud. Cloud ELB is nothing but now I'm adding E here. Cloud ELB is nothing but 100% it's available. How? They are taking care like that. They are not depends on only one ELB. They are taking care of the back end everything. So they are saying my ELB always work. If it is fail also, you will never get any chance to down your server. The reason is ELB I'm taking care. ELB is a cloud managed service. You can configure, that's it only. You just configure and use it. There is no chances to fail because of the backend configurations we have implemented like that. It is not a server. What is service, sir? Sir, you are saying it's not a server, it is a service. What is service, sir? Comes under Kubernetes. Comes under Kubernetes. Remember this point. I will ask at that time, what is service? Okay, we can discuss service, 3 classes. What is service? We have to develop, we have to implement, we have to create everything in the service. Okay. Guys, one question to everyone now. This is cloud. Understand it first. This is cloud. Understand it first. Now, 3 servers created. Your ELB sending traffic to 3 servers. ELB balance the load, monitor the load. If something is fail, for example, this server, this application may fail. Is there an impact on these clients? Why? They are not directly connected to the server. They're connected directly to the ELB. ELB will monitor, okay, this is fail now. I will send traffic to these 2 servers only until it is rectify the issue. So ELB keep on monitor by using some status checks. Once again, I'm saying as this is not load balancer deep level class. This is for understanding high level class. In the load balancer class, we are going to learn again what is load balancer, what is the things will come into the picture. Everything is dedicated session for 3-4 days. Load balancer and auto scaling. Okay, one more question to everyone. Don't confuse your minds. If you are understand these 4 classes, we are doing entire 3.5 months is these 4 classes only. This is very high level definitions. Very low level, we are going into the depth. What is load balancer? What is server? What is application? We can go in depth in 3.5 months. Okay, by using these architectures. Okay, by using these architectures. Anyway, this is configuration. So, okay, anyway, so come here again. Anyone has any doubts on ELB? ELB is for redirecting request only. Just understand it only. Now the question is, again question guys, understand it. Sir, we have 3 servers. One server may fail. Now load balance send traffic to these 2 servers only. Sir, how can you say the load balancer send traffic first send the traffic to this server, then second? The backend one method will work, guys. Round robin method. Round robin method. See, the round robin method, always the request will come na. Load balance send traffic to first server, second server, third server, again first server, second, third. It will ping directly 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If one fail na, next 2, 2, 3. But again will ping to 1 also. It will check issue is rectified or not. No, not rectified. How do you know? The load balancer from the source, it will ping to server. If server will not give 200 page, what is 200 page? Success page indication. If I'm not getting 200 page success page indication from the server, okay, server still issue. Okay, send to 2, 3. From the 2, getting response from the 200 healthy status, 3 healthy status. So send traffic. We need to configure. How to configure? We take care of the coming classes. Now the challenge is server 1 is failed. But in the earlier 3 servers are balancing the loads. Now the burden, whatever requests are going to add on 2, 3. Right or not? Maybe these 3 servers already maintain 90% loads. If one may fail, definitely load balancer will send traffic to 2, 3 also. 2, 3 also fail. The reason is 90% traffic we cannot merge into the existing 2, 3 servers. Already it is busy. What we need to do? What is the option now? Create or another server, right? We don't have any options. Create one more server to balance the load for 3. Then who will create the servers? Are you going to create servers? Production environment. When I say production, application already running. To create a server, you need to stop everything. Add one more server. But you are saying high availability 24/7. It is a stop means it's not a high availability, right? On the fly, we have to take care of, right? On the fly, we have to take care of. How to do that? Scaling. Right or not? Scaling. Which scaling it is? Auto is nothing but not outside of autos. Auto scaling. Scaling taking care by automatic on the fly. See, if I configure my auto scaling to enter this group, okay, enter this group. Again, questions. I know. If I configure auto scaling to your architecture, auto scaling is going to create a servers. How? We need to configure auto scaling in dynamic way. Sir, what is dynamic? What is static? Again, questions. Static means, hey, auto scaling, morning 9 a.m. you can create few servers. Few means we have to say auto scaling. Minimum servers are 2, max are 6. If you are giving 2 set points to auto scaling. Okay, when I can create 6? Again, question from the auto scaling, right or not? Yes, you are saying, you are means you guys, you are the developers. You are saying to auto scaling, create 6 servers, max, create minimum 2. Okay, when I can create 6, when I can create 2, you need to say that, right? Is it static situation, dynamic situation? Static is good or dynamic is good? You guys are saying dynamic is good, right? Static means what? The particular time will come, you can create 6 servers. It will not check even traffic is there or not. You need to pay cost, right? Right or not? So now dynamic. So which factor in the server is a variable with the request? Which factor, which component it will vary with the request or increase in the server? What? CPU, hardware, RAM, right or not? So what I can do here, I can change my CPU set point, CPU utilization set point. Set point. If I give 75%, sir, what is 75%? Average load of the all servers. Not for second server, not for fourth, average load of the all servers. Hey, auto scaling. If you reach average load of server CPU utilization, reach 75%, you can start to create a server. Start to create a server. It doesn't mean it will not create directly 6 servers. It will add 4th server first. 3 already there, right? It will calculate average load 75%. 4 servers now. After creating 4 servers, average load 75%, then create 5th server. Again, it will calculate average load of 5 servers. It will calculate, okay, it is reached 75%, again create 6th server. Otherwise, it will maintain 5 servers only. Again, load, sir, why CPU utilization load is increasing here? These guys are increasing, right? Requests are increasing, right? Requests are increasing means burden is there on the server, right? So definitely they're consuming something from the server, your server giving some hardware to that application. So it will vary. If I give set point 75%, the max is 6 means your auto scaling will create servers till 6 servers max to maintaining each state 75% average calculation load. Is it clear everyone now? Is it dynamic static now? Dynamic. Why? Number of requests increase only, the load will increase on the server. If the load will increase, your auto scaling create a servers. Clear the concept? Here the new request is coming to load balancer, send to server. For example, server already 74% load is there. This request is increased to 1 more percentage. Immediately auto scaling come into the picture. These 3 servers already busy. So add 1 more server. Why? Requests are increased here. Like that, it is a automatic. No need to stop your application. Now, sir, if 6 will reach, we have to configure dedicated monitor system. Hey, actual load is 100%, but we are updated set point is 75%. You have a buffer for 25%. That is for your alertness. Okay, my 6 servers already consume 75%. Na? Even though it will reach to 80, 90 also, no problem. But increase the server, there is no scope. Then it will increase the load 76, 77, 90. At this time, your dedicated monitor system will help to alert you. Your max 6 already reach. Immediately I can come and change the set point only. 6 to 10 or 10 to 20, 10 to 30, 20 to 30. No need to stop any system here. So auto scaling is going to create a servers in the load balancer group. So this is called target group, guys. This is called target group. Which target group? Load balancer target group. Load balancer will send traffic to these servers only. In your account, 10 servers are there, but you have added 3 servers only in the target group. This load balancer will send traffic to only this target group for 3 servers. Now the challenge, one more challenge. Your auto scaling is going to create a servers, right? That server, if load balancer has to send the traffic means the auto scaling created server where it is going to create same target group. Clear or not? Then only the servers are going to add here. Load balancer will send the traffic. If it is a different target group, this load balancer don't know right to send a traffic, right? So here whenever you are creating auto scaling, you have to say that this is your target group. You have to create servers in this target group. Already 3 servers running. Load balancer sending traffic from the clients to your application. You are going to add few more servers. Depends on your set point, depends on your client request CPU utilization load. Clear? Anyone has any confusions? Understand only 3 points, guys. Load balancer send traffic to multiple servers. Auto scaling will create a multiple servers. This is the point only, 2 points only to understand. We have explained this much of stuff. Is it clear, everyone now? Anyone has any doubts now? Dedicated monitoring means you are a DevOps engineer, right? You have to apply dedicated monitoring system by using Grafana, by using Nagios, by using Datadog. That's what DevOps come into the picture, right? Tools configuration. ELB won't fail. Nagavuma. The reason is ELB is not in your scope. ELB is in scope of cloud. That's what we are moving to cloud. What is round robin method? If you can go your BTech M1 subject is there, right? There is a round robin method, right? Go first, go second, go third, again go first, don't go second. It's a random check means what? 2, 1, 3, again 1, 2. It's a random check. What is your path? I don't know. I'm the random guy. So I need dedicated path system. That is what? Round robin. That is taking care of. ELB will work on that method. ELB will ping 2 and 1 or 3, again 1, 2. It is not a correct process. It will check from 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is round robin. Okay, that guy is there. Some robin is implemented that. Which tool is used for configuring auto scaling? You know, maybe we are not using in the DevOps any tool to configure auto scaling. The reason we are in Kubernetes. Now we are entering into this 10 minutes is very important. We are entering into the Kubernetes. Guys, now understand it. Yesterday, how many applications we discussed, guys? How many applications requests we are getting from the client to create a EC2 instance? 100 applications need to create in EC2 instance. At that time, 100 EC2 is required if it is a different applications. Now I'm not talking about different applications. I'm talking about same applications. So you guys are saying yesterday, 100 different applications, 100 servers are required, right? But it is not high availability. If it is a high availability, how many servers now? Each application, how many servers? Each application, one server is fine. One server is fine for each application to provide high availability. Now you can multiple with one application. How many servers? If it is a 4. Next application, again 4 servers. Next application, again 4 servers. Sir, why 4 servers? 4 servers are same application, right? To provide high availability. In that case, 100 different application, 400 servers are coming. Clear? How many load balancers? Very good. 100 load balancers. Online team, getting? Each load balancer for each application, same servers. Clear? 100 applications, 100 servers. Sorry, 100 load balancers. Plus each application, multiple servers, whenever you can increase the servers based on the traffic. So if you are understanding, cost is increasing or not. But yesterday request guy is very poor guy, right? I don't have much money, but you need to host 100 applications. You don't create 100 servers, 1000 servers. Is it possible to do it one server? Yes, possible. Docker is taking care. Now the question is, guess whoever new joiners, I can understand, to the situation. Please go through the yesterday recordings. Yesterday recording, last 3 recordings. Okay. Still you are having any question? Don't worry. You can ping me anytime in my Telegram group. Anytime. You can ping me directly. I can give my answer to you. 1-to-1 also, no problem. Anyway, come here, guys. Now may you confuse, I know, but try to understand it. Now, multiple servers you are going to create. Okay. Instead of doing that, yesterday what we discussed, install Docker on your EC2, create multiple containers. Clear or not? So this is my big EC2 mission. This is my big EC2 mission. EC2 mission is nothing but VM or server, whatever it is. So this is my hardware. This is my operating system. On top of that, I need to install Docker, right? If it is a work as a Docker, I need to install Docker. Okay. On top of the Docker will create containers. Okay. This is what operating system. Which operating system it is? A Ubuntu or Amazon Linux or whatever, Windows also, no problem. Hardware, right? So here the containers are different applications or same applications. I'm taking same application examples. In this case, how many servers? In this case, one server only, right? On top of the server, I'm creating containers. How many containers? Same. If you are compared with the previous architecture here, 3 containers. Clear? Container 1, container 2. I know this is very tough time to understand. That's what we are spending 10 days time. Not only 10 days. We are spending time 25 days time on the Docker Kubernetes dedicatedly to understand these concepts only. But this is for understanding. Many people are asking, sir, what is Kubernetes? What is Docker? At least I'm trying to give some information to them. That's it. Now, which application it is? Flipkart, right? This one? Huh? Flipkart only. This is Flipkart only. Now the question is, you are accessing many people, right? In the previous session, the servers directly accessing by load balance, you are sending the traffic to different server. But in this case, Beam. Online? Okay. Choose. Even Saturday, Sunday, I'm going to plan to take whatever sessions we have done. New joiners. Back. నేను చెప్పా ఫనీ కాలడే ఈరోజు ఈ సాటర్డే నెక్స్ట్ సాటర్డే కూడా ఉన్న న్యూ జాయినర్స్ వస్తే మనం ప్లాన్ చేద్దాం 4 classes కంప్లీట్గా మళ్ళీ రేవండి యా షూర్ యా షూర్ ఓకే గైస్ ప్లీజ్ డోంట్ కన్ఫ్యూజ్ హియర్ 3 servers are there, same application. So yesterday request is what? One server. I'm not going to create 3 servers. One server, are you going to provide high availability is not? This is my question now. To provide high availability in this manner, you are going to increase the servers. This is called monolithic approach. Hosting application directly server, right or not? Hosting application directly, this is server 1. This is server 2. This is server 3, right? Hosting application directly on server. But what are the drawbacks? Space, cost. How to overcome? By using one server. So one server, how you can give high availability? That's what Docker come into the picture. I'm the Docker. I can create a containers. Each server you can assume as a container. Your server inside Flipkart application is there, right? My container inside Flipkart application is there. Who provided? We have to create a Docker file to create application to put into the Docker file. If you run the Docker file, image will create. Image will create means container will create. We have to do so much of stuff. Then only container will create along with the application. That's what we have to take care in the Docker sessions. Let's suppose Docker is created a container, inside application is there. Okay. How many servers are there here? Only one server, right? This is server only. But instead of creating multiple servers to provide high availability, Docker is saying, don't create multiple servers. I'm the Docker. You just install me in any one server. I can provide the platform like a containers. Each container will run as a one EC2 instance or one server, one physical server, whatever it is. So you can give your IP to customers. They can access directly each container. So here again, this container, this container, this container, I can give to customers. Sir, how you can give, sir? Just now you're explaining, na, sir. Some DNS story, something. That's what coming into that here, Kubernetes. Clear? Kubernetes, Docker once create a containers, na? Docker job done. Now Kubernetes taking care. Now Kubernetes taking care. Hand over to me your containers. Hey Docker, hand over to me your containers. Hand over to me your containers to me. What I can do, I can give access to customers. Okay, you can give access to customers. Now I have one more drawback. Docker is saying to Kubernetes, I have 3 containers only, right? I have only 3 containers. See, actual Docker create only 1 container, not 3 containers. Docker will not create same application, different containers. Okay, so just assume only 1 container is there. So now Docker is hand out 1 container inside Flipkart application. Kubernetes is giving access to customers. But 1 container is fine to get high availability. I need like 3 servers are increased. I need to increase 3 containers. So Docker is saying I have only 1 container. My customer is created, my developer is created, run a Docker file. I have created 1 image. From the image, I can create only 1 container. If this container may fail, the entire process may fail. So that's what how can I provide multiple containers with the same application? Now Kubernetes is saying I have a right to create a containers also. This is called orchestration. You just create a container and hand over to me the high availability, monitoring system, security system, access system, everything I will take care. Is it clear now? In this case, you have to configure load balancer to give the customers, right? You have to change the set point in autoscaling to increase the servers. And one more big drawback is, if it is the same application, 1 load balancer, 1 autoscaling. But we used to do in 1 server, different applications also. Understanding? Different applications means 1 ELB will work for different applications. Again, you have to create 1 more ELB. Again, you have to create 1 more autoscaling. If it is 100 applications, 100 ELBs, 100 autoscalings. Cost increase or not? Cost increase or not? Yes. Interviews. Yeah, will come. How many students are coming? 7. Huh? Is this last or any new other batches are there? Last batch. Huh? Okay. Okay. I will come same time. Thank you. Ask them to prepare well. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, guys. See, understand here. Understand here. I'm not checking messages. The reason is we are in the flow. I will answer every question. Don't worry. There is a per the traffic the servers created reaching 70%. Here the containers will be created as per the traffic. No, 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 no. That is auto scaling is taken care, right? 75% if you put the set point, auto scaling create what? Auto scaling does auto scaling create containers? No, auto scaling creating servers here. But what we are looking here, containers. I'm not looking servers. I don't have much amount to invest on servers to increase. Even 1 application to provide high availability, you are going to increase the servers. But server can consume only 10% load or 15% load. But you need to pay that cost, right? So how I can reduce the price? Can I do it high availability concept in only 1 server, not for multiple servers, like increasing like this way? I'm taking from in this group only 1 server. I'm picking only 1 server from here. And I have updated here 1 server. This is inside 1 server. Docker is saying I have a 1 process. You can install on me your server. I can create your application in the form of containers. Each container consumes 0.2% load only, 0.2% hardware only. Very, very less weight. If it is a server, 8 GB is required while creating every server. Each and every step is interlinked, guys. If you miss only 1 step, you are unable to understand. Last 4 classes, including this class, is very, very important to understand coming classes. Even I'm going to explain each and every tool separately, even though I'm saying that. See, guys, my container is saying, yes, I can create a containers. I can give this access, but I need some help. See, as a Docker, I have a right to orchestrate. As a Docker, I can give access to, but Docker, there is a limitations. We are using Docker to create the container only. Docker can orchestrate also, like Kubernetes. Docker can give access application like Kubernetes, but there is some drawbacks in the Docker. That's what we are not using Docker as an orchestration tool in the market at this time. Docker we are using as a creation of containers. But if Docker creating a container, now Kubernetes come into the picture. Hey, container is ready. Then okay, give handout to me. I will give access to public. I will take care of to create a increase the container also. So Kubernetes is a self-healing process. Means if one container may down, Kubernetes immediately create one more container. If this also down, Kubernetes immediately create one more container. Hey Kubernetes, do one thing. Don't stick on one server. You don't stick on one container. You just maintain 3 containers on default, same applications. If third made down, you can create one more container. This is the entire topics we are going to learn in 20 days dedicatedly. This is very high level. Getting what I'm trying to say? In the power of Kubernetes, if you give here node type or your understanding process, access type equal to load balancer. If you add this simple definition in Kubernetes YAML file, Kubernetes will create immediate load balancer. No need to configure anything by backend. In that manual process, in that monolithic process, you have to create a load balancer. To creation of load balancer, 20 steps are there in the backend. Same auto scaling. You have to do everything manually. But here, you just pass this definition into your Kubernetes. Hey, Kubernetes, can you create access type is load balancer? Immediately, ELB is created one load balancer. How it is created, I don't know. It's not your cup of tea. If you go and check in your AWS console, one ELB is created. Who created? Kubernetes is created. That ELB access you are going to give your customers. Clear now? Clear? That ELB is created Kubernetes. That by using that ELB, customers are going to access your containers. If one container down, again Kubernetes always monitoring. One down, create. See, Kubernetes dealing multiple tasks. In before, load balance doing load balancer job, auto scaling do auto scaling job, monitoring system you have to configure. But Kubernetes is the one to handle everything. Clear now? You got some idea at least? So one container may down. Who will create again? Immediately? Kubernetes will create immediately. Now, created container, how to give access? Created container access public by using not container IP, accessing by load balancer URL. Who created load balancer? Kubernetes. If container one down, 4th container will come, right? Created by Kubernetes. This 4th container map to created load balance. That is taken care by Kubernetes. Clear now? Everything is taken care by Kubernetes. But Docker is creating a container. Once create a container, from that container, Kubernetes is creating a duplicates. I mean, if your Docker is creating one image, from that, Kubernetes is taking care next part. See, I'm going to show you one thing to you now. This is the project we have done. Let me show you something. For example, guys, where is this architecture? Now you can understand, see. Understand this architecture just very high level. Okay, very high level. I'm not going to deploy any application on EC2 instance. Is it clear now? My deployment is what here? Final deployment is Kubernetes, not in physical servers, not in directly server. If it is a VM means, if you can see, here I'm going to push my application directly VM. Apache as a Tomcat is EC2 instance, but I'm not using native relative monolithic. I'm using microservices. If it is like that, I need to create multiple Apache VMs. It's very difficult. That's what I'm going to Docker concept. So what Docker is saying here? See, the source is coming from EKS from where? Container. This is the chain reaction. This is a process 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First Sonar Queue. Next Node NPM. I will discuss what it is. Leave it for this. Next Docker Hub. Why Docker Hub? Create a container. Clear? My application, I'm going to host Kubernetes. Hosting Kubernetes means first you need to create a container. Container means first we need to create a Docker image. Docker Hub is creating a Docker image. From the image, Docker container will ready. From the container, we are going to host Kubernetes taking care. Kubernetes is going to give access to public. Is this clear? This is the source to everyone. This is destination to application. In between you and your application, Kubernetes is gate. Clear now? This is very high level understanding. Okay. From tomorrow onwards, we can jump to further topics. Okay. In the same class, I have given two variations. Okay. Okay. Now, can you send the link to this class in email? Okay. Are we covering Terraform? Why not? If you can see, we are doing project by using Terraform only, right? See, we are creating Kubernetes also using Terraform only. Everything Terraform. See, whatever tools you are able to see here, we are going to cover everything. DevOps means we are going to cover TV, security tool. Sonar is a static analyzer. Security tools. If required, I'm going to add further tools also. Tomorrow is a demo class or not? That is, I don't know. That is need to check by admins. Guys, are you clear? Offline? Clear? What about online? Grafana. Okay, Grafana also I'm going to add, guys. See, this is not final architecture, okay? This is stage-based as we have implemented. First, we have completed here. Next, Argo CD we have added. Now, EKS we have added. Now, email system, then monitor system. That is yet to pending. See, if you can see here my message to my team. Argo CD will implement later. Like that, we can add. Guys, small note in your resume, don't put Hotstar Swiggy projects. Anyway, these are working copy only. This is working direct document only. Once we are fine to deploy application, then we can add monitoring system. This architecture will extend. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I'm working since 1.5, but bench. Yes, this is very useful, Joshi. If you are definitely, I don't think so. Definitely, you will face that issue from that your seniors. You have any DevOps experience, so that I will take into my project. Definitely. So if you are ready with the DevOps content, definitely they will take you. Sir, this class. Yes, 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 yes. Not API gateway. API gateway is different story. Sir, after Kubernetes, handovers from Docker customers can get access. Is this main purpose in the DevOps? Your deployment is on a Kubernetes. Kubernetes is going to create a service. The service is calling a load balancer. Just now we discussed load balance is a service, not a server. That is same thing. Kubernetes is going to create a one service. The service may be IP service or load balance service, but real time you are giving only load balancer access. The reason is your containers will not expose to public directly. Clear? Same thing. Okay. All CCs, right? What are the monitor tools and service we are going to learn? Grafana and Prometheus. Guys, I'm going to close this session. If you are clear, please give CCs all. Who will take care of DNS? I'm take care of DNS coming classes. All CCs, right? Yes, yes, yes. Ranjit, thank you. Abdul, thank you. Shivani, Rajat, Soumya. Can I mention masters in IBM for resume DevOps job application? Yes, you can mention. Abdul, Fees, sir. Fees you have to talk with Shrikant, Ranjit, CC, Soumya, thank you. Komal, thank you. Nagarjuna, Bhavani. So I can understand you guys are all clear, right? So no questions pending. Okay. Okay, yes. When going to start offline class, guys? In front, my already offline classes also started. This is parallelly taking online and offline. In front of me, already students are there. Amazing class, sir. Thank you. Okay. Thank you to everyone. We'll meet. Bye. Yes, you are getting right.